What's up, everybody? Brandon with Jarhead Diagnostics. I just wanted to give you guys an updated video about the shop. I know I just posted one a couple of days ago, but like I said, I was going to keep you guys up to date. So here's the next one. All right, we got the workbench fully installed. It's ready to go. Our biggest thing is now we just need to move in all of our equipment in here. We're going to hold off on moving everything until our internet and phones get moved into the building. I'm scheduling that tomorrow, so it'll probably be another week before we're actually in here working, but it's ready to go as soon as we move over. Still got some toys. Don't mind the mess, but the print room is ready to go. We had 70 amps brought in. I know the last video I said 60, but whenever the electrician was running the wire, he said that we could go to 70. So the main breaker on the other box is a 70 amp breaker. So it gives us a little bit extra wiggle room in here if we wanted to add in another leg for, future. But all the shelves are in, ready to go. Just need to get the printers in. But like I said, we're not going to be moving those in until we get internet in. Once we get internet and phone, then we can kind of get in here and work. Because if we were to go ahead and move over here, we wouldn't be able to print orders and all that fun stuff. So that'll be here soon. Next thing. I know we had kind of talked over here and I'd mentioned that we were going to bring our inventory out here and then I was just going to run it along that wall like that. But I think what we're going to do is we're actually going to create a walkway right here, kind of where that carpet still is, create a walkway. And then roughly 12 feet to 10 to 12 feet off of that wall this way, we're going to put a row of racks. So we're going to have this wall, I measured it, is 25 feet. So we're going to have 25 feet of storage against the back wall. Well, a little bit less, I'll explain here in a second. But then storage this way. And then if we need to later on, I can run racks right here so we could actually have like an L shape of inventory and inventory on the back wall. If we get to that point, I don't know if we will or not. But the reason I said not all the way over this way is plan to get a refrigerator. We're going to put it in the back corner and then just a little table for eating lunch and stuff. So that way you can kind of get out of the offices and eat lunch back here or, do whatever. The reason I decided not to come off this way, the 10 feet, like I had said in the previous video, and go that way, is like I said, this was, I think it's 25 feet. Wall to wall. And remember I said I wanted to bring in my motorcycle equipment to do all that in here as well. Well, the biggest thing with that is if I came over the 10 feet like I'd said, that's only going to leave me roughly 15 feet of space to put a workbench, toolboxes, a couple of lifts, and all that sort of stuff over here. It would have pushed it really tight. So my plans is to do the workbenches this way to kind of create the walkway. So you'll walk down this wall and then get back into the inventory back there. The racks, whenever they come this way, we're going to get some wood paneling or something, make it look halfway decent so it looks like a back wall back there. So the inventory kind of be in its own room and then the racks would actually be the wall. I think it'd look the best. And then once we kind of get stuff moved in, it's going to allow us to get stuff moved in and not have the inventory falling into where we're working or where we're working falling into the inventory. It'll create a nice border right there. I know it's hard to explain through videos, but most likely in the next video, all of this will be there and then it'll be easier for you guys to see it. But all in all, we're really excited to get in this building. I know it seems like we just moved into our other one we did about a year ago. We weren't shutting down the shop, then I'd most likely keep the other location just because it is a nice bigger building. But the rent is about 3 times what it is here. So, you win some, you lose some. We're moving in this building. It's actually a really nice building. The layout's just a little bit different. We're going to make it work for us, and I think it's going to be good. Give me about a week or two and you'll start seeing some diag videos in here. We just got to get moved in and then get everything set up. Might have some videos of me setting the shop up once we get all the equipment in. If you guys are interested in that, just a kind of day in the life or a vlog, whatever you guys want to consider it. But let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Always remember, did you diag today, bro? Speaking of diag, remember, we're doing a giveaway. Every $5 you spend on our website enters you in a chance to win a diagnostic roll cart. It is a Series 3 Harbor Freight single bank roll cart. It's going to be neon green. The boom kit's going to be neon green. And if you guys check our website, neon green's not available on our website. So it's going to be a completely one-off. The only one that's going to be out there like that. So head on over to the website. Every $5 you spend. Doesn't matter if you grab sweet hoodies like this, diagnostic equipment. We got hats, shirts, you name it. It's on our website. We're in the process of building some sticker packs for all the guys that love stickers. So head on over to the website, take a look around. Remember, every $5 you spend is going to enter you in a chance to win. There is a no purchase necessary option as well. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.